Welcome to this Adobe XD plugin tutorial. Today we are going to check out the best content generating plugins for Adobe XD. These will help us to insert meaningful and relatable texts, images and other content in specific placeholders, thus making the design process easier, saving you a lot of time. In this video, I will focus on 5 of my most used plugins, and one bonus plugin that might come in handy. The project files to follow this tutorial is in the description. Download them from the link down below. The best content generator plugin is Repetor. I have already made a detailed video of how it works. Check that out from the card that pops up in the top right corner. Repetor plugin works in repeat grids. So, click and drag the items you need to convert, and click in the repeat grid button. Extend the handles until the screen is populated with the item. Click on the newly created repeat grid to select it and head over to the plugin button to reveal the plugin panel. Look for Repetor and click Generate. The plugin interface appears. Click on the image placeholder in the top left corner. We need to insert images of people, so click on Portrait. Select the images and press Apply to insert the images onto the shape. Now select the name placeholder and set the category to name. Check first and last name, and then press Apply to fill in the names. Repeat the same steps with job title option checked to insert designation text placeholders in the repeat grid. The repeat grid is now completely populated. As long as this remains a repeat grid, you can always edit the contents in bulk. Check out my video on this plugin to find out all the possibilities of this plugin. The next plugin, UI Faces, allows you to fill in avatars and shapes. This person does not exist, is also a similar plugin. Hold down Shift key and select the shapes to be filled with images. Find UI Faces from the plugin panel. Select Preferred Sources, and adjust your settings to fine-tune your results. Press Apply to insert the images. This person does not exist, works the same way, without a proper interface. Select the shapes and then the plugin to apply images on them. Next plugin we are going to look into is Photosplash 2. This plugin can populate shapes with images of your choice from unsplash.com. Select the plugin from the plugin panel. Select the shapes. Make sure they are not in a repeat grid. Enter any desired keyword and press Enter. Select the desired images from the results and press apply. It is easy to change or replace the applied images with some other with the plugin. Design Hunt is a similar plugin, but instead of photographs, it brings out design works like in Dribble. It is a cool plugin, with the variety of content it provides. Your UI would impress some designers. Select a shape and then any image from the plugin interface to apply that image. Content Generator is a handy plugin when you need to fill in text fields with fake but meaningful texts. Select the plugin to reveal its interface. To fill in names, select multiple texts by holding Shift and select the plugin. Choose the type of text required to apply them to the selected texts. Do the same for larger text fields. Now it is time for a bonus plugin. Personas can create beautiful and customizable personas with different layout and image styles. Open the plugin, select a layout. Input how many personas you want to import. New artboard with different personas is created. This plugin might come in handy while in need to create profiles of people. All of these plugins will elevate your workflow. I would love to see your suggestions, or if you have any difficulties, feel free to comment. Like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to my channel for more content.